Why is playing chess considered one of the most powerful ways to train the mind, improve focus, and build lifelong skills that extend far beyond the board? For centuries, chess has been more than just a game played with 32 pieces on 64 squares. It has been described as a battle of wits, a tool for sharpening intelligence, and even a mirror of life itself, where every move carries consequences and foresight makes all the difference. Unlike many pastimes that entertain for the moment and then fade into memory, chess leaves a lasting imprint on the way the mind functions and how people approach challenges. When we ask what the benefits of playing chess really are, the answer expands far beyond simply getting better at a board game. The truth is that chess enriches the brain, supports emotional growth, encourages discipline, improves social interaction, and even has profound effects on long-term cognitive health. One of the most obvious and celebrated advantages of chess lies in its power to enhance memory and cognitive sharpness. Every time a player sits at the board, they are challenged to recall a wide range of information, opening principles, common patterns, previously studied strategies, and even past mistakes. The repetition of analyzing moves, visualizing possibilities, and replaying scenarios develops both short-term memory, as players calculate immediate threats, and long-term memory, as they remember strategies and classic games. Scientists have found that engaging in mentally stimulating activities such as chess helps create stronger neural connections, essentially giving the brain a workout similar to how physical exercise strengthens the body. Over time, this leads to sharper recall, quicker thinking, and more agile reasoning in everyday life. Another major benefit of chess is the way it cultivates concentration and focus. In a world filled with constant distractions, the ability to focus deeply has become a rare skill, yet on the chessboard, it is absolutely essential. A single lapse of attention can mean missing a decisive tactic or falling into a trap set by an opponent. This constant requirement to remain attentive trains players to block out distractions, to immerse themselves in the present task, and to practice mindfulness in action. Many who take up chess find that this heightened ability to concentrate translates into other areas of life as well, whether it's studying for exams, working on complex projects, or even being more attentive in conversations and relationships. Chess also plays a unique role in developing creativity. While some may assume chess is rigid and purely logical, it is in fact a canvas for imagination. Each game is like a story being written in real time, and every player has the opportunity to choose the narrative path. The beauty of chess lies in the fact that there are nearly infinite possible games, and while certain strategies are well studied, players constantly invent new combinations, surprising sacrifices, and daring attacks. The process of trying to outwit an opponent often sparks flashes of inspiration, leading to inventive solutions that no one has ever seen before. In this sense, chess is both an art and a science, rewarding logical calculation, but also rewarding originality and boldness. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Alongside creativity, chess nurtures problem-solving skills in a way few other activities can. At its core, every chess move is a puzzle. The player must analyze the current position, identify threats, consider alternatives, and then make a decision that maximizes their chances of success. The complexity increases with each move as new problems arise, requiring constant adaptation and flexibility. This cycle of analyzing problems and making choices under pressure closely mirrors real-life decision-making, from choosing the best approach at work to handling unexpected challenges in daily life. By practicing problem-solving on the board, chess players build confidence in their ability to tackle difficult situations with logic and composure. The academic benefits of chess have been recognized for decades, with numerous schools around the world incorporating it into their curricula. Studies suggest that children who play chess regularly often perform better in mathematics and reading comprehension. This is largely because chess enhances skills such as pattern recognition, logical sequencing, and abstract reasoning. all of which are directly linked to academic success. Beyond academics, however, chess also teaches important life skills such as patience, perseverance, and the ability to plan ahead. Unlike fast-paced video games that reward impulsive reactions, chess rewards long-term thinking and foresight. A player who learns to plan 3, 4, or even 10 moves ahead develops the ability to set goals, anticipate obstacles, and work steadily toward outcomes. These are the same qualities that help people excel not just in school, but in their careers and personal lives. Another profound benefit of chess is the emotional resilience it builds. No matter how skilled a player becomes, losses are inevitable. Every defeat on the chessboard presents an opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. This process of analyzing mistakes, accepting setbacks, and coming back with improved strategies teaches resilience and humility. Instead of fearing failure, chess players begin to see it as a stepping stone to progress. This mindset is invaluable in real life, where challenges and setbacks are unavoidable. By cultivating a healthy relationship with failure, chess helps players build confidence and persistence in pursuing their goals. Chess also has significant social benefits. Despite being a game that pits one person against another, it brings people together across cultures, generations, and backgrounds. In chess clubs, tournaments, and even casual games at the park, players connect over a shared passion and learn to respect one another regardless of skill level. The game fosters sportsmanship, encouraging players to compete fiercely yet fairly, to shake hands at the beginning and end of each game, and to appreciate an opponent's skill even in defeat. For children, chess provides a constructive social environment that encourages respectful communication and teamwork when studying games together. For adults, it can become a lifelong hobby that builds community and camaraderie across borders. Perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to play chess is its potential impact on long-term cognitive health. Research suggests that mentally stimulating activities like chess may help delay cognitive decline and reduce the risk of conditions such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Just as physical exercise strengthens muscles and bones, mental exercise strengthens the brain, keeping it flexible and resilient even in old age. For many older adults, playing chess becomes a joyful way to stay mentally active, maintain social connections, and keep the mind engaged. In this sense, chess is not only a game of the present, but also an investment in future well-being. Beyond the practical benefits, there is also something deeply philosophical about chess. It mirrors the complexities of life, the importance of patience, the weight of consequences, the value of preparation, and the inevitability of mistakes. It teaches that while we cannot control every move our opponent makes, we can control how we respond. It shows that small, consistent decisions can lead to great outcomes over time, and that sometimes sacrifice is necessary to achieve greater goals. These lessons extend far beyond the board, shaping character and perspective in ways that last a lifetime. In the end, the benefits of playing chess are vast and profound. It sharpens the intellect, nurtures creativity, strengthens focus, teaches discipline, and builds emotional resilience. It brings people together, fosters respect, and provides a mental workout that keeps the brain healthy well into old age. Whether you are a child discovering the magic of the game, an adult looking for a meaningful hobby, or a senior seeking to keep your mind active, chess offers something of value at every stage of life. Far more than a pastime, chess is a lifelong journey of growth, challenge, and discovery. And perhaps that is why, across centuries and continents, it has remained not only one of the most beloved games in history, but also one of the most rewarding pursuits for the human mind. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.